More than 843,000 coronavirus vaccines have been given out in the Commonwealth as of today. Experts say it's a crucial part in fighting the virus.
But some people are hesitant to get it, and there's a lot of confusing information out there, so we are here to help. Tending your sides, Marielena Balouris went to the experts to learn more about what's in that vial. Lena?
Well, Tom and Anita, these vaccines were developed in record time, so it's understandable to have hesitations. I spoke with 3 local health experts who say the research has been in the works for decades. They also debunked some of the myths of what they call our best bet in beating this virus. December 11th, 2020, the day the FDA issued the first emergency use authorization for a COVID-19 vaccine. 1 week later, another approval. Since then, millions of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines have been put into the arms of people around the world. While the speed was encouraging, it left a lot of people wondering, how did this happen so quickly?
What we saw was 30 years of research that finally came to fruition with these 2 vaccines.
Health experts say the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines use messenger RNA technology, which the scientific community has been working on for decades. And in 2020, those decades of research and technology paid off when the world desperately needed it.
When COVID arrived in 2019, we already had a lot of information.
So how exactly do the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines work? Here's what the experts told me. When you look at an image of COVID-19, you see the spikes forming a crown around the virus. That's how the virus got its name and how it attaches onto your cells and then makes you sick. When the mRNA in the vaccine is injected into your body, it tells your cells how to make that spike of the virus. But your body doesn't like that spike. It's not supposed to be there. So your body makes a protective response that binds to the spikes and inactivates them. That way, if COVID-19 does ever enter your body will already know how to fight it off. Dr. Edward Oldfield, professor of medicine at EVMS, says there is no live or dead virus being injected into your body.
The messenger RNA tells your cell how to make just the spike. That's all it does, is just the spike. No whole virus. It cannot enter the nucleus where your genes are.
Your body takes it from there.
When these little spike protein pieces come out, your body knows that it's not natural, and that's why it said, okay, well, we're going to generate an immune response to it.
Dr. Michael Charles, a physician with Centera, says a team from the hospital group met with a clinical pharmacist from Pfizer before the vaccine was rolled out.
Were any steps skipped with this? Why was this able to be developed so quickly? And the answer was a definite no steps were skipped. Everything was basically accelerated.
Some of the red tape was eliminated, but tens of thousands of people still participated in the clinical trials.
Instead of waiting till one was completed to start the next, they might run a parallel pathway.
So what about those side effects people are reporting after getting their vaccines? Sore arms, maybe some fever and chills. The doctors say those are all good things.
That's your body's immune system ramping up, so that's a good thing. That means that your body is actually creating antibodies to this disease.
The other good thing? The light at the end of the tunnel is finally here.
This vaccine has the potential of ending the pandemic. It has the potential of saving millions of lives. There's no doubt about that. And it has the potential of stopping us from living in fear.
So what about rumors that this vaccine can affect fertility? I'll have more on that and how the experts believe vaccines will react to the new variants tomorrow night on WAVY News 10 at 6. I'm Marielena Balouris, 10 on your side.